What's up guys, Grwm here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe down below. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate it to the moon and back. Okay y'all, so in today's video I will be doing a 3-in-1 get ready with me. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let us hop into the video. Okay y'all, before we hop into the video, I just want to say Happy New Year to everyone. This is my first video of 2022 and I am super hyped to be here. Thank y'all so much for the support so far. Guys, we made it through 2020. We made it through 2021. I know we're in a brand new year, 2022. I hope everyone is having a great year so far. I hope everyone's year is very prosperous and I hope everyone gets to achieve all the goals that they want to achieve this year. I thank y'all so much for being on this YouTube journey with me. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I have so much in store for y'all for this year, so just stay tuned. This is the first of many videos that I am dropping for y'all, so just look out for me. Look out for me guys. Look out for me. Alright, I just wanted to mention that before we got into the video. So now that I'm done, Happy New Year again. I love you all, and now let us hop into the video. Let's go guys. Okay guys, so starting off with the hair, what I have here is a old puff that I did a couple days ago and I'm just refreshing it, just spraying some water on it. I already laid the front of my hair, and with the puff I'm just going in with some gel and I am defining those curls just a little bit. I have a more detailed and in-depth video of how I do my puffs on my channel. I will definitely link that below for you guys to go and check out. I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around. Okay guys, moving on to the makeup. I am going to start with my brows using the Precisely My Brow Pencil by ABH, and this is the shade number 5. I'm just going to use this to line, shape, and fill my brows a little bit. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want to prove. Okay guys, so now I'm going to use the Volumizing Brow Pomade by Merit Beauty, and this is in the shade Black Brown, and I'm basically going to use this to kind of add some volume to my brows and make them a bit thicker and fluffier. And I want to thank Merit Beauty for sending me over some of their products to try out for you guys. Merit Beauty is basically a makeup brand that focuses on minimalistic beauty and less is more makeup. They are also a clean makeup brand, and their products can also be found in Sephora. If you guys are interested in any of the Merit products that I use throughout this video, please feel free to check out my link in the description box down below. And as always, I'll have all the products that I use listed in the description box down below as well. Getting under my skin, pretty little young thing, had a nigga come. And now I'm just gonna use a little of the Too Faced Burn This Away multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Maple to clean up my brows.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high, till I feel the lights down.
And now going into the skin, to prime my face, I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on the everyday face.
And now to set that primer, particularly around my smile lines and the lower half of my face, I'm going to use the Mercier translucent setting powder in the shade Translucent Honey.
When you're in the mood for empathy, just blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know.
And now for foundation, I am going to use the Perfecting Complexion Stick by Merit Beauty. I'm actually going to use two of them. I'm going to use one in the shade Sepia and the other in the shade Umber. And I'm just going to mix those together to get my perfect shade.
Go and party. Nigga don't approach your with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation.
To apply the products, I'm going to use the brush number 1 blending brush by Merit Beauty. And oh my god guys, this brush is so soft. It is so soft. Oh my god. And oh my god y'all, these complexion sticks, they literally feel like butter on my face. They're so lightweight, so easy to blend, and it just really just seeps into my skin. I don't know how else to say it. So definitely check out these complexion sticks. If you're into less is more makeup, you can literally just put this on your face and really be out the door. It's really giving your skin but better. I'm going back in with another layer of the complexion sticks onto my face just to build it up a little bit. Okay guys, now it's time to contour and highlight the face. To contour the face, I'm going to use the Perfecting Complexion Stick by Merit Beauty in the shade Umber, and I'm gonna apply this in the hollows of my cheeks and around my forehead. And to highlight, I'm going to use another Perfecting Complexion Stick by Merit, and I'm gonna use it in the shade Amber, and I'm just gonna apply that under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead. Oh, and on my cupid's bow as well. Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Maple, and I'm going to add that on the points that are already highlighted just to kind of make it a bit brighter. The same foundation brush, and I'm just going to use it to help let the products blend into each other better and look a bit more seamless. And now to set that highlight, I'm going to use the Mercier translucent powder in the shade Translucent Honey, and I'm just going to apply to the areas that I highlighted earlier using that same beauty blender that I used to blend out the highlight.
Hold on, fuck that.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences.
And now I'm going to take the Sephora MicroSmooth powder in the shade Deep Ebony, and I'm going to use that to dust off the setting powder that we just applied, as well as set all the other cream products on my face. And now I'm gonna apply the Fenty Beauty Stalk'r bronzing powder in the shade Mocha Mami, and I'm just gonna apply this around the areas that I contoured to bronze my face up a bit, as well as set that contour. I'm also gonna use the same powder to contour my nose as well. Now I'm gonna take this Milani blush in the shade Coral Cove, and I'm just gonna use that to warm up my cheeks a bit. And now I'm just going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to set my face and set all that product that we have used, so that everything blends seamlessly into each other. And now moving on to the lips, I'm just going to wipe away the lip balm that I had on my lip earlier, and to line my lips, I'm going to use the Maybelline Unstoppable Eyeliner in the shade Espresso, and I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips with it.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight.
And now I'm going in with the Merit Beauty Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Eau Natural, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lips.
Would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you.
Oh my god, guys, this lip combo though, this lip combo was really giving. Like, this was it for me.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.
Okay guys, so the face is done now. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish up the hair. Okay guys, so to finish up my hair, I'm just gonna remove the headscarf, and I'm gonna use some of my edge control. I have it linked down below, and I'm gonna use it to do my edges, and then we're done with the hair.
My love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love, so don't give away. My love, so don't give away. My love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Okay guys, so hair done, makeup done. This is the finished look. Let me know if you liked it. Now we're going to get into the outfit. I'll have all my outfit details listed down below, and this concludes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know you guys' thoughts on the video in the comments down below as well. I want to say thanks again to Merit Beauty for sending me these products to test out for you guys. Don't forget to check them out using my link down below in the description bar as well. Thank you guys so much again for tuning in and supporting me. Don't forget to have your post notifications turned on so you're notified every time I drop a new upload. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below. Share the video with a friend. Follow me on Instagram, and until next time, take care, guys.